All right, guys, we got a whole bunch of wet snow, about 7-8 inches here, southern New Hampshire, and I'm out with my machine, XP 1000 Hunter Edition. I just put on some 26-inch Bighorn originals, great tires. I'm liking them so far, and let's go ahead and do some plowing. Got the poly edge on the 66-inch Polaris PLOW Glacier Pro plow system with the hydraulic pivot, power angle system. Works great. I've had this plow system now about 5 years, going on 6 years, and it's been mint, no issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do some plowing here. Got the dogs out. Yeah, the creatures. There we go. That was heavy. I already went ahead and did half the driveway because I wanted to get all the cars out of the way. I'll typically go ahead and make a windrow pass across here, get rid of the heavy stuff and push it to the left, and then keep on making passes and pushing everything to the left-hand side onto the grass. I try to push it onto the grass quite a bit so it doesn't build up along the edge here in the driveway. The XP 1000 has no issues with the snow, especially this heavy stuff. All I do is pick up some speed in low gear and just literally just push it back into a snowbank or push back the snowbank even further. Let's try to push this snowbank back a little bit. So let's back up a little bit. I'm gonna go at it with the blade kind of high up, 3 inches off the ground, and give it a shot. let's try to make a pass up and down the driveway. There we go. I like to do the front of the driveway first because I get all the salty, nasty stuff out of the way, and then use the clean snow to basically rinse off the plow in the machine. That way it doesn't have salts and sand sitting all over it. And it does a good job rinsing everything off if you do it in that fashion. This is a lot of heavy snow. This is heart attack snow pretty much. All right, there it is, guys. Another snowfall in the books. That was some heavy, wet snow. The machine did great, obviously. No stopping this thing. But I'm really enjoying these new Bighorn tires. These are the Bighorn Originals, not the 2.0. So you have extra deep lug, bigger lugs. They're more aggressive. And I got the ITP dual bead locks on the machine right now. And looking good and doing great. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.